Welcome to 5 Minute Friday, everybody, where we share our best tips and tricks to help you get just a little bit better every week. But for the fourth year running, we're going to be reading the Christmas story from Luke. So Eddie, Pastor Eddie, Elder Eddie, please.
Sound like Eldorado.
Eldorado.
All right, from Luke 2, we read, "In those days, a decree went out from Caesar Augustus that all in the world should be registered. This was the first registration where Quirinius was governor of Syria, and all went to be registered, each to his own town. And Joseph also went up from Galilee, from the town of Nazareth, Judea, to the city of David, which is called Bethlehem, because he was of the house and lineage of David, to be registered with Mary, his betrothed, who was with child. And while they were there, the time came for her to give birth. And she gave birth to her firstborn son, and wrapped him in swaddling clothes or cloths, and laid him in a manger, because there was no place for him in the inn. And in the same region there were shepherds out in the field, keeping watch over their flock by night. And an angel of the Lord appeared to them, and the glory of the Lord shone around them, and they were filled with great fear. And the angel said to them, 'Fear not, for behold, I bring you good news of great joy that will be for all the people. For unto you is born this day in the city of David a Savior, who is Christ the Lord.'" With that, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, everybody. Go build something awesome.